Mexico, a country with deep roots and a dynamic present. Building the infrastructure Mexico needs for its development and the energy it needs for its movement, providing soundness for its future. Grupo Hermes has been a successful player in the Mexican economy since 1978. Grupo Hermes was born with the strong conviction of leading the construction of Mexico's future. Today, that same belief drives us as a relevant and highly competitive global player. Our name is inspired by Hermes, mythological god of commerce, alliances, and trade. Our history. Grupo Hermes is a 100% Mexican corporate group that was born with the determination to become a growth factor for the nation by taking part in strategic areas of its economy. Throughout our history, we have ventured into mobile telephony with Doncel, into the manufacture of steel tools with Industrias CH, in the processed food industry with Purina, and in the automotive parts industry with Hermes Amortiguadores. We have also ventured into commercial air travel with Taesa. We were pioneers introducing the Mercedes-Benz brand into Mexico through our truck assembly plant FAMSA, which was sold to Daimler-Benz in 1995. As a result from this relationship, today we are leaders in the distribution of said brand through Automotriz Hermes. Grupo Hermes owned the Laredo National Bank, LNB, until the institution was sold to BBVA Bancomer, which represented a great financial success for our group. Gained experience brought about a successful and diversified company portfolio. We are determined to be relevant global players in order to continue being a factor of growth, development, and world projection for our nation. Our business portfolio: construction, infrastructure, and housing. Hermes Construcción is one of the main infrastructure companies in Mexico. Since its inception as Grupo La Nacional, a holding that clustered Peninsular Compañía Constructora, Consorcio de Obras y Dragados Marítimos, CODRAMSA, and La Nacional Compañía Constructora, and now as a company of Grupo Hermes, it offers its clients 30 years of experience developing projects for roads, water, drainage, and sanitation, construction and urban development, energy, and port infrastructure. It has taken part in the construction of the most important hydraulic projects in Mexico over the past 30 years, with highlights being the dams Cerro de Oro, Chilatán, El Cuchillo, El Gallo, Luis Donaldo Colosio Huites, El Cajón, and recently, El Zapotillo. It has built more than 550 kilometers of high-specification highways and interstates, over 5,800 meters of vehicular bridges, and nearly 7,700 meters of tunnels. Hermes Infraestructura is a company with 100% Mexican capital devoted to the investment and development of infrastructure projects in our country. Since its foundation in 2007, Hermes Infraestructura has focused its strategy on promoting, identifying, structuring, and investing capital in projects and companies related to infrastructure in Mexico. Its license portfolio has steadily increased. Projects such as the Morelia-Salamanca Highway, the Irapuato Northwest Beltway, the Lerma Tres Marias Highway, and the Chihuahua Northeast Beltway. OATSA is a Mexican company devoted to the operation and maintenance of public, licensed, and private infrastructure. OATSA has 19 years of experience operating and maintaining highways, international bridges, parking lots, wastewater treatment plants, and hospital service packages, among others. In order to capitalize construction and housing opportunities, Grupo Hermes created Hermes Edificaciones y Construcciones S.A.D.C.B., ECO. ECO has a great competitive edge based on an innovative outsourcing model which allows for maximum quality discipline and execution in each project. Power generation. Almost 50 years of experience make CRE the Mexican leader in the technology, construction, and maintenance of steam generation systems. CRE designs, manufactures, and owns engineering and service infrastructure for individual boilers, electricity generation and heat recuperators for combined cycle plants, which can be installed on the 5 continents where CRE operates. CRE has created its own technology center, which allows it to have high-end technology in its product line. The company is a key global player with a highly competitive and varied supply of products and services that few companies in the field can match. In the early 1990s, Grupo Hermes became the first company to be awarded a long-term contract to provide electricity to the Federal Electricity Commission. AES Mérida 3 is the first independent power producer project procured in Mexico. Associated with AES Corporation in the U.S. and Nichiman Corporation from Japan, Grupo Hermes is developing the first private combined cycle electricity generation plant under the External Energy Producers Plan. With more than 50 years of experience, Grupo Transportes is the Grupo Hermes company that provides transportation service to Pemex, one of the biggest oil companies in Latin America. Today, Grupo Transportes manages 20% of the transportation by land of refined oil products with a new generation fleet of trucks. Its 9 facilities, established in pivotal points throughout the Mexican territory, provide a key competitive edge and dominant position in its market. Automotive sector. In 1992, Automotriz Hermes was born, the first and foremost dealer of the AMG, Maybach, Mercedes-Benz, and Smart brands in Mexico. Hermes has the best located dealerships and auto shops in Mexico City and has established a strong presence in the luxury vehicles market. The reasons behind that leadership are our high standards in customer service and post-sale support. Financial division. Through Grupo Financiero Interacciones, Grupo Hermes successfully participates in the equity and banking markets, offering competitive financial services that have placed the group among the profitability leaders in the Mexican financial market. Thanks to this, the group received the Arc of Europe Award, which acknowledges high-quality standards at a global level. Banco Interacciones is a niche banking institution focused on specialized products. Its main competitive edge is based on its experience designing custom-built solutions and financial strategies mostly for the government, discount bills, infrastructure, agribusiness, and the business sector. Banco Interacciones has remained the most profitable financial institution in the sector during the last 3 years and was recognized by World Finance magazine as the best investment bank in Mexico for the 2nd year in a row. Casa de Bolsa Interacciones is among the 10 most profitable brokerage houses in the country. It offers personalized financial counsel, efficiency and security in each transaction, a wide range of financial products, and competitive prices. A pioneer offering electronic access to the capital market, Interacciones has invested in high-end technology over the last few years, which is one of the only Mexican brokerage houses offering their customers direct access to the market, colocation, algorithms operations with FIX connectivity, and low latency at very competitive prices. That innovative spirit, along with world-class execution in all its operations, make it a highly reliable and competitive player in all markets. With more than 40 years of experience and under the control of Grupo Hermes since the early 90s, Aseguradora Interacciones provides comprehensive insurance services to a large number of people, both in the public and private sectors. Operadora de Fondos Interacciones is the leader in the design of specialized investment portfolios in Mexico. It has reached an excellent position thanks to its flexibility and an unbeatable risk-return ratio. It has plenty of experience designing and managing investment funds. It established its first investment fund in 1986, and it currently has 12 money market funds and 8 equity funds, which, through different investment strategies, allow the company to provide options that fit each client's necessities, be they private individuals, corporations, or non-taxable entities. Grupo Financiero Interacciones has achieved a great innovation dynamic in its product line thanks to its experience, soundness, and capability to provide personalized service. Grupo Financiero Interacciones is an institution that dominates its sector and represents an important strength factor for Grupo Hermes. Tourism sector. The tourism sector and a sustainable development have become strategic priorities for Mexico. For that reason, Grupo Hermes has decided to participate in the field with tourism and hotel projects. These have a mixed residential and commercial profile and take great care of the environment. Just a few minutes away from Cancun, in the state of Quintana Roo, Grupo Hermes has developed the first stage of the Playa Mujeres Resort, a paradise of investment and development that will likely become one of the greatest touristic destinations in the world. In a privileged location and with the unmatched Mexican Caribbean scenery, Playa Mujeres Resort has an array of first-class services, among which are a spectacular marina, a beach club, 5-star hotels, residential areas, and 1 championship-level golf course. Grupo Hermes builds its future on the technical capability and the shared commitment to quality of each one of its employees, who represent the most important capital of all its subsidiaries. Thanks to our successful and diversified business portfolio, a culture of corporate institutional government, and a soundness that only experience can provide, Grupo Hermes is a relevant player on a global level and a leader in the construction of the present and future Mexico.